Okay, so congratulations to you, Hannah, for on the first attempt. Ilang minor fault mo?
3 minor faults.
3 minor faults. Okay, so well done. I know that you will pass. I can tell. Kahapon nung last nating lesson, sabi ko, kayang-kaya ni Hannah to. So yung last part ng 2 hours natin. May feedback ka ba for me? Is that good or bad feedback? Napakamahihain na bata na to.
Very, very good po. Thank you so much. Kasi from first lesson pa lang po, sobrang natuwa po ako kasi like yung sinasabi ng iba, yung instructor, peperahan ka lang yan, sasabihin hindi ka magaling, ganyan. Pero you were giving me good feedbacks po. You were teaching me a lot. And I learned a lot from the first lesson pa lang. Kaya naengganyo po talaga ako na matuto mag-drive. And I actually enjoyed driving na.
So,
dati, I used to be scared sa kalsada. Pero ngayon po kasi may proper knowledge na from Kuya Randy. Ayun, naging confident ako.
you smash it. On the first attempt. Yeah, good job. Well done.
Thank you po.
Okay, so if you wanna follow my YouTube channel, Runs Driving School, at saka my Facebook page.